Welcome to the Outer Luck vlog for Get Low Palm Beach 2023, and it's an amazing time.
It's now 12:16. Just gotta go get some gas, drop all these packages off. Just filled up on gas. Literally, I just left the gas station. So this is gonna be a fun trip. If I even go now.
Going on, cowboy.
Rental for the weekend.
Henry.
Got Mr. Macho Man.
Oh! She got it.
Unfortunately, Carlos is not coming though. I'm just taking it. About to load her on up. I don't know if it's gonna get accepted though. It might deny us at the door.
Nah. Shout out to my neighbors though. It's that big old truck they had.
Dude, I've seen their cars. They got dents on everything over there.
Where?
They got yellow marks on the
I
city.
know, dude.
Can't drive this. All right, today we got escort right here, and we're on roach killing fuck. Oh shit! Hold on. Oh! We 2 for 2. And see, that's why we gotta leave that one more for there because he didn't know. We'll leave it in there. That's fucking disgusting, dude. Had to come wake up Chris.
I'm literally so tired.
I knew when I texted you this morning and you didn't text me back.
I didn't even realize you texted me.
Yeah, so we're going to get fitted.
Yeah, I'm down for whatever.
We gotta go do that at least.
I fucking
We out here in Florida. Whoa, wait. I'm in the water from Florida, but my rescuing.
Wish I could run fitment like that and not have my car look like absolute dog shit.
Dude, like what? What?
Like that. You can't say this doesn't look good.
It looks great.
And it's not totaled on the ground.
Attractive. You documenting this?
I might be. Oh God. Fuck you, Sparno. Oh man. Ah! Behind the scenes. You know one year what's crazy? So Chris was hosting a show, of course, one of the only shows I go to. Oh, let me try to stay around. And I've been waiting on my flyer, right?
Mm-hmm.
It'd been, hold on, let's get Chris. It's been waiting on the flyer, right? It'd been probably 5 months.
Waiting on a flyer?
Probably the weekend of the show. I hit the.
Waiting on a flyer?
I hit this guy up. He's like, "Oh, I actually have this other guy make it. He's been slacking on me. Let me tell him right now." Lo and behold, the dude that makes the flyers are sitting right here.
Bro, this is different now. It's different now.
I took things into my own hands. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Go away.
It's funny because I only painted the wagon and did the wagon because I got accepted to this dude's show.
Oh, Jesus.
Today we're picking up our event shirts.
Today we're picking up our event shirts. It's Friday afternoon. We got our event t-shirts. We got Robert. Robert got his event
Nah,
t-shirts.
Florida need to come to Kansas and see what sunflowers really are because these
Come on,
motherfuckers
that's
are
a
dandelions.
sunflower. That's a
You
sunflower.
ain't never seen a sunflower in his life. What a heart.
That's the deal.
A Florida sunflower. So these are our Get Low shirts with a germ. With the shocker blank. These are real nice. I like how thick they are. Unfortunately, won't be able to put my tag on it if I didn't bring my press and stuff down here. It'll be alright. I'm gonna have Germ's car posted up right in front. The shirt's out there. Don't be in the middle of the mall. ASM leaks.
These are ramen tuning shirts.
Nice. I don't know if I'm supposed to be showing this, but you guys seen it here first.
Bro, look at this. Look at this. No, you good.
Excuse me. Yeah, I don't know if I'm supposed to be showing that, but they seen it here first.
Bro.
Ad Luck Vlog.
Out of Luck Vlog. Welcome.
Oh, wait, say that.
Said welcome to the Out of Luck Vlog for
Yeah.
Get Low Palm Beach 2023. We're here at Scion Shores, and it's an amazing time. We're here with beautiful people.
Yeah! Alright, roll the first cars here.
They like, damn, boy, you got your own flow, you want some different shit. This whole getting on my nerves, I need a different bit. On with designer, I be stepping in some simple shit. Oh, yeah, I'm finna pop my shit like a pimple, bitch. Tell me how you hating on a nigga you don't even know. Hoes be out to rent a cat, call him Pinocchio. I will never switch up on bro, I'm sticking to the code. Niggas hating on my motion, this shit getting old. At my first show, I might have your bitch front row. White bitch look like Elsa, had to let her go. I'm really snapping in this route, just had to let you know. A nigga high, but sometimes I be feeling low. I'm trying to run that money up, I need my honeys all in row. I'm in Tallahassee, nigga, with the Seminole. Got a nigga snapping back to back, I'm really in that mode. Jump inside that trap caulking, I'ma whip it like some dope. Jump inside that trap hawk, yeah, you can hear the motor. I been kissing Mary Jane, you can smell the odor. Young instead of getting wise as I'm getting older. I need to go and grab a coat, my heart been getting colder. I'm John Cena in this ride, no, you ain't seeing me. This a bad white bitch, she come from Tennessee. I ain't fucking with that J, he ain't no friend of me. The Tyler snapping on the beat, you feel the energy. Then that nigga raw as fuck, I'm already knowing. I was talking to Lennar, he told me keep going. I just jump up on the beat and I just keep flowing.
You want to unload?
Day of the show. Load stuff up.
I'm going back though.
My mom just called. Hey,
How's it going?
it's going. It's going. We're going real well. We're going real hard. Get Low Palm Beach. We're going crazy. I love it. Ah!
This is the part that y'all don't see. We're on the booth behind the scenes. Kids are really tired. They woke straight up. Came here, didn't really get to eat. There's just a lot of people around. It's really humid. We're not used to this in Kansas.
That's like what they do. It's like a wave.
Mr. CEO over here, man of the show. This thing's actually looking real clean. Real clean for some reason. Damn, we got the mirror finish.
ask him what he's throwing, and we'll see if he actually throws, and we'll see how that goes. All right, what are you gonna throw?
Why is this man?
No.
this
This
man
is what we're
give you
doing. It's not about the game. It's about the trust between the game.
Whoa,
What are
brother.
you
Whoa,
throwing?
brother.
I'm gonna throw a rock. You're gonna throw a rock. Okay.
If he win $25 for a banner and grinder,
I'm gonna do scissors.
he win $50.
Go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I'm gonna do scissors.
Let's go.
You switch up on me, it's over.
All right, 3, 2, 1, shoot.
See,
Yeah, well,
that's
I chose gun, boy.
crazy.
I chose gun, boy. What's good? Boy, what's good? I chose gun. I mean, oh my god. Oh my god.
Honestly, I switched up.
That's crazy.
You just switched up on us. You're not getting a banner.
I chose gun. I win.
He switched up.
So you want me to pay?
Oh no. You snitched? No, I ain't drinking on that.
Oh yeah, he doesn't.
Where's my crown?
At the house. Come back over. Come over after.
Yo, can I get you?
Oh, Robert.
He brought it.
Can I get your honest opinions on ASM Palm Beach?
It was trash. This show sucked. I would never come again. ASM needs to be canceled on God. Someone should have won. I don't know what else to say.
Okay.
Like, honestly, like, I can't believe I've stayed here for
12 hours.
13
Nice
hours.
watch.
Almost
Nice
13
watch.
hours. Like, I can't believe that I've been here that long because this show, trash. Honestly, fuck ASM for real. I think I'll just end ASM then.
Okay.
Then.
Fuck ASM. We're in an ASM. We out of luck out of here. Next show, out of luck. South Carolina, Atlanta. Next show, Atlanta.
The little tights is
Oh man,
literally and figuratively.
I can't believe you got rid of
Delicioso.
I can't believe you got rid of all that. You even asked me yesterday once.
What?
It's gone.
Delicioso.
End of the show. We got Ozzy helping us. We're unloading shit. Or loading shit up, I mean. Day after the show. Came to Chris' house. Hold on. Check the fit. Check the drip. Impossible. No way. So today we're on this concoction. Just stopped at Walgreens. Did some stuff for the day. About to go to the beach. Get my hand in shoes. Impromptu. 460L. Long wheelbase. What y'all know about this? I got you a gift.
You got me a gift?
Yeah. It's a clown nose because you a clown ass bitch.
Fuck yeah.
I got you a gift. It's a clown nose because you a clown ass bitch.
I can't even put it on!
Just cruising around. About to hit the beach, had to pull up. Hit some water pigs. 460 L. This is party. Boy said didn't change, he's still matching me. Okay. Going to the beach. Richie's here. Richie's here.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Not in that. I know.
Yeah, Chick-fil-A's. Sunglasses.
Found a pair of sunglasses.
Yeah, I couldn't get them though. So I knew this was gonna happen. It's Monday, about 4 o'clock. Chris and Liz just wanting us to stay another night. So you know what's fucking happening? We're staying another fucking night.
No, but that will charge hello, sir. It's Monday afternoon, about 4:01 p.m., and you're still in Florida. What's going on?
Yeah, I was just
Robert?
telling him about that.
What'd you tell him?
You'll see when you watch the ball. You'll see.
Okay, fair enough.
Driving along the ocean. All these multi-million-dollar houses. Making us realize how broke it really is.
Riders show up, they don't let the bros in. Won't put my trust inside no hoe, know how these bitches going.
Yeah.
Thank you. Picture videographer over here.
heading to Memphis. We should be there around 3 a.m. Get some sleep in, hit some spots, hit the road next day. Almost 12 o'clock. Stopping so we can get a motel. Really tired. Just got back on the road from some little place in Alabama. Just ate Chick-fil-A. Probably about 11 o'clock now. Now we head to Memphis. We'll be there 6 hours. I'll stop at Makeda's. May end up sleeping in the pyramids tonight. We'll see.
I can't do it. The girls lost one of the lenses.
The famous Germwick glasses, E-glasses, and the children broke them. Got this boy working. Got it. Had to get some potatoes every time we come down. Always got to come to the pyramid when we pass through Memphis. What you say, homie? It's 9:23 on, what day is it? Wednesday?
What?
Is it Wednesday?
It's Tuesday, I think.
No, it's
I
not.
think it's Wednesday, yeah.
I think Wednesday. We stopped for about 3 hours from Carlos's, which Carlos's is 4 hours, about 4 hours, 30 minutes from our house. We technically still got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours until we're home. I don't even know how long we left at this point. It's been days. Dropping off Subaru. After this, we're gonna go eat sushi. We got a 4-hour drive back home. Oh yeah, I got you this. Hey, come here, come here. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. I got you this flag. And I also, come on, come on, come on. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
Smells like butt, dude.
It's been on my ass.
So it is a butt plug. That sounds good.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I thought this was the wagon. It's like, huh? Come here. Come here.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
Come here. Come here. Come here, Kyron. Come here.
Oh. Alpha.
Is it the right way?
Yeah.
Bro, your camera is scratched up.
A little bit. I done dropped it. Next time's less blurry.
Huh?
Oh. Mr. Out of Luck. Whole trip been going good. Think we're like almost an hour out from home. Bang, 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 boom, bang, powie. And these are not the wheels that came with the truck. It originally came with 17s to upgrade to the 20s. So we gonna ride for 19 miles with 17 spared. Yeah. About to get a new truck anyway, so. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome, baby. Love you.
Love you too. Alright, so. Also, Mr. Out of Luck did not pack a jack. So, what we're gonna do today. Bang, bang, bowie. We're gonna take this thing up as high as you can go. Not try this at home. Will she work? Will she work? Oh! Solid, baby. Nothing, just ingenuity at its finest. Now let's get this thing off. Good old D-Walt, my sponsor. D-Walt is my sponsor, your boy. Let's go. And also leave it to Mr. Out of Luck to not have the tool to lower the spare tire. So luckily, I had 2 half-inch extensions. We working, baby. We working. We're an hour and 30 from home. This tire looking like a motherfucker. This is a traction. I'm really hoping that it'll make a return to the no tire tracks nearby that are open. The ones that are open do not have the tire size I need for the 20. So it's kind of shit out of luck, as always. No vlogs.